Hey, welcome to Kracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today we're making jerk turkey legs. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take these Shady Brook Farms drumsticks. Got them right at Walmart. Don't need anything fancy. I got 6 of these, 2 packets. We're just going to put that in here. This is one of those hefty, extra large, 2.5 gallon bags, which is perfect for drumsticks and stuff like that. Now we're going to take a gallon of water. We're going to be brining these overnight with Malcom's Jammin Jerk seasoning. You need 2 cups for the 1 gallon of water, and that's about half a bottle, so you can just eyeball it. Now we're going to seal this up. Push out as much air as we can. Then we'll give that a good mix. Now what I like to do is I'll take this, now it's mixed up good, transfer it to one of these aluminum pans. That way if there's any issues with the bag rupturing, it's not going to ruin your refrigerator, because then the wife will be pissed. We'll let this go overnight. In a couple hours I'll flip it around, just make sure everything's getting mixed up nicely and evenly coated. Alright, see you tomorrow morning. One overnight later, here we are. Let's take these out of here. We're going to pull these turkey legs out and put them in this container. You can see they changed color. This smells so good. That jerk chicken seasoning is very aromatic. I'm going to pat them dry and move them to our disposable cutting board. All right, you can see our turkey legs, they've changed color. You know they're seasoned throughout. It's going to be excellent. Now what I'm going to do is just pull the skin tight over the top of them. Just make sure that it's nice and tight. Now what's nice is, you know these are going to be seasoned. The whole meat's going to be seasoned. You're not going to have to worry about seasoning under the skin, so I'm not even going to worry about that. That's why I said not to worry about it. So I'm going to take some more of Malcom's Jammin Jerk and coat the outside with it. These run overnight brine, so we're not going to have to worry about coating the whole thing crazy. You know how I roll, so we're going to put these on a cold smoker. So we're going to fire up the Z-Grill pellet smoker, set at 275 degrees. And we're going to let it go for an hour. I'll check on them. I'm thinking it's probably going to take 3.5 hours to do the complete smoke. All right, see you in a couple hours. These are at 1.5 hours. They're 155, 160 degrees. We're going to bring these up to like 175, 180. But now we can glaze them, and let's build our glaze. We're going to go in some orange juice, apple cider vinegar, some soy sauce, some ketchup, some melted butter, and we're going to give that a good mix. I gotta heat this up real quick. Now we're going to take some of the Malcom's Jammin Jerk and we're going to add a couple tablespoons into it. We're going to add 2 tablespoons to a 1/4 cup of honey. You can just eyeball it, that's all. We'll let this simmer for a couple minutes and then we'll start glazing our turkey legs. All right, let's check on these turkey legs, see what temperature they're at. And 67, 67, 70. All right, now it's time to glaze these. I'll roll these over onto their backside. We'll let these go for about 5 minutes. We'll glaze them again, shut the thing off, and let them cool down for a couple minutes, and then we'll try them. So after another 5 minutes, these hit 175 degrees internal. That's where I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna glaze them one more time with this. I let it simmer a little bit longer. It's a little thicker now. I mean, they look pretty good. So I just shut the Z grill off. We're gonna let it go through the cool down cycle. Then we can pull them out and it'll be ready to eat. Look at that. That looks amazing. Look at that shine. Wow. Wow. This is so juicy. Look at that. This is really good. The flavor is right through the whole leg. You can taste the jerk seasoning all the way through. That's from that overnight marinade. The butter and the honey really put a nice glaze on there. Add some sweetness to it. The orange juice and apple cider vinegar really add a little bit of a kick. It cuts right through the fattiness. This is really good. Wow. So you're not going to get the crispy skin like on a oven roasted turkey or a high temp turkey, but because we waited till the end to sauce it, it's got a nice bite through. It's not chewy and gummy. It's just a really overall good turkey leg. I'm really impressed with this. All right, if you like this video, please watch the past videos. Got more videos coming out every week. We're on all the social medias. Just find us somewhere. It's always Kracks Country Cooking. I got a link in the description. You buy one, get 10 free Z grills over the next 50 years. Seasoning, spices, everything I use in the videos. All right, see you in the next video.